good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you're listening to me. So today I want to show you guys how to create a seller account and how to add products in your seller account. So the first thing you need to do is you need to find Chrome. I love Chrome. You need to use Chrome browser. Now, when you use Chrome browser, the next thing you need to do is to type seller.co. Then in seller.co you press it and it brings you here. Then after that you do that, you can see where I'm pressing these dots here. When you press that, find um you find start selling with seller. If you've not registered with seller before, you will just click start selling with seller. And this is where you have to fill your names, you have to fill your username, your email, your this, your that and all. So you fill all the information and you just click create an account. So this is a simple way on how to create your account with seller. So after you've done that, then click on login. Now if you already have a login details, then you just type your email address and type your password. For me, I already have mine saved, so all I just need to do is to just type it is to just put it down here and log in. So I'm going to tell you guys how to create a product in on Seller. So now this is my dashboard for Seller. This is my demo dashboard. So what you need to do, as you can see add a product. You can see add a product and all. So Seller is just like it's a funnel, it's an affiliate marketing, it's a funnel. And when you click here, you just see different varieties of things, your dashboard, affiliate links, and sales pages and all that. So today we are not interested in many things. We're just interested, so focused on adding our products. Let's say we want to add CSM 8.0 or 9.0. Let's just use CSM 8.0 as an example. Then we'll click here add products. When we click on add product, they'll ask you what product do you want to add. CSM is a coaching program, so we are going to use digital product. Going to click on digital product and we'll say next. Now the next thing is they will ask you what is the name of the product. You put CSM bootcamp 8.0. What is the price of the product? 6,500. Show strike. Okay, this one is just to like I'm going to show you what this. I'm putting like 20,000 naira here. Then it's going to slash out the 20,000 to give you the actual price of 6.5. So putting higher price, it creates a perception games that your price are higher. So after you do that, all you need to do right now is to use a sales page. You need to upload the image of this what you want to upload the image. And for me, let me upload CSM 8.0 image. So this is it. I'm uploading it, and awesome. So the next thing you need to do is to write your sales letter. Now, as I'm talking to you, you should have already written your sales copy already. Your job is just to paste it. Let me paste anything I have here just to make this place filled up. Okay, let me just paste this, the Upwork masterclass and all. So this is just like a demo. Then after that, you come here category. What's here under sales and marketing? Is it under content creation? Whatever you find your category, you find your subcategory. What is it under copywriting? Then what these things help you do is so that your product can show on the seller marketplace, whereby people can also promote your product. So this is it. Then um the next slide is for you to the next time is for you to actually do this logistics. Then you um advance hey, guys, so you can choose advanced options, your call to action. What do you want people to see? You can to like put now. Get it now. So let's create this product. The product file. Then um this product doesn't have a file. So upsell, more details. So after you do that, so if you're uploading your course on Seller, then you click here, you click on this, give buyers access. But if you're not uploading your course, it's just a payment gateway, then you have to unclick it. Then when you have to click the next one. That means give, that means automatic redirect, automatic automatically redirect the buyer to external URL. So this is where you go, when that means when somebody's payment has gone through, your job is to give the person the URL to either chat you up or to get the product from the store or whatever. So when you're done with this, when you're done with this, you check the advanced options and all. So when you're done with this, you just click create product, and our product is creating. Now this is how to um actually create a product on Seller. So right now the product has been created. If you want to see the preview of your products, all you need to do is to just click on this. You need to click on this link here. So right now that is what we want to do. I'm going to click on the link and you can see how our product is, the big picture and the sales page, and you can see what I talked about here, 20k slash 65 the actual price. And when somebody wants to get it, the person do the needful and person do the needful, probably then check out, put the name and all. So this is just an easy way to put your books on Seller, your courses on Seller and all. This just Seller is like a gateway. So with that being said, I hope you've gotten value. If you've gotten value so far, I want you to tell me that I've gotten value, boss Uzi. Tell me on my DM you got value from this recording. And I want you to also do your own demo. Do your own demo Seller funnel and send the link to me. That is your assignment for everybody listening to me right now. If you really watch this video, then do your own demo and tell me that you watched it and send me your link. That is the only way I can validate that you actually um listen to everything I said and you understand. Do you have any question? Anyway, I can't hear you, but with that being said, thank you so much for your time. Have a lovely day. Bye.